Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to add MusicBot on Discord. So let's start. Let's go to a server, and then here on the server let's press this part, and then let's go to settings. Okay, then let's go to apps. So scroll down and let's app directory. So here just write green vote, and this is the server. Just click here and just up, and then just select the server, and then continue. Just check what the following permissions would have and authorize. Just wait, and let's go to the server, and now just write slash play, and let's select this one and just write a song. For example, I will write Cruel Summer, Taylor Swift, and just enter. Now it's playing and you have here the song. Now you can play, as you can see, and that's it. Well guys, I hope this worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.